Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So tell me what's happened to your jaw before I seen you 6 months ago.
6 months ago, I had a severe pain on this area that started by me biting on a pastry. The shooting pain was really severe, and after visiting my dentist and endodontist, they couldn't figure out what was the source of the pain.
Did they tell you it's TMJ or trigeminal neuralgia or anything?
No, they didn't. They did tell me there was no infection, there was no problem that would need a root canal or anything.
Yeah.
And the pain would shoot several times a day, so I was taking a tremendous amount of anti-inflammatories, muscle relaxants, and the pain went for like a month till I found out about your services, and I came. And after 3 sessions with you, the pain went away. And of course, I changed my diet according to your advice.
Yeah, that you followed the whole, program. Yeah, because it's So following the whole program, because it's not like pick and choose, not just doing the manual stuff and going back to do the bad habit that's actually causing the trigger.
So, and I could say that after 6 months, the pain has never been back.
So you had how many visits?
About 3 or 4.
3 or 4 visits, and that's been 6 months of pain-free.
Yes,
is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, and your symptoms before was like when you eat, you get sharp shooting pain?
Oh my God, I couldn't even drink water. If I open my mouth, the pain would irradiate all the way up here and down here. I couldn't eat. It was I couldn't sleep. It was really painful, and I lost weight. I was feeling miserable, very depressed because I couldn't figure out what it was.
All right. So now you had 3-4 treatment and 6 months of pain-free. So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
Oh, I love it. I think I would recommend it to anybody that has any kind of chronic pain condition. Yeah.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.